Hello everybody, this is Coach Arzo here. In this video, we're going to learn how to label triangles, special right triangles with 45-45 and 30-60-90 triangles. So I'm going to go over this video, so if you get stuck on how to do it, then just check this out. Okay, so the way we label these is that each leg, so this is called the leg, and this is called the leg, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so the legs are going to be considered to be the S's. Okay, SS, the hypotenuse will be S square root of 2. So always remember, the hypotenuse is always the side that does not touch the box, and it is also across from the box. Okay, so don't get that confused. A lot of students get that confused, and then they just happen to mislabel it, and it affects them a whole lot. So the next one, so we have S square root of 2, and then as you start going, you start noticing that the S's start rotating. They'll start going in different directions. Like this one's sideways down here. This one happens to be on the left side right here. It's rotated. So just be careful on how you label these, okay? So that's kind of like how we label these. So just make sure you go through it, check what you got, identify where the S is at, and then know how to approach the problem that you're working with, okay? So just be very careful. Do not be lazy about this, because if you're lazy about it, then it's easy to go ahead and get these wrong because they're already complicated as is. Okay? So S square root of 2. Okay? Alrighty. So 30, 60, 90. These have a little bit more of a square root with it in terms of the 3. This one has a 3 in it. This one has a 2 in it. So don't get that confused, okay? So when we're doing these, the short leg is going to be the S. The next leg is going to be S square root of 3, and this is going to be 2 times S, okay? So when we go from here, so you have S square root of 3, this is your S, and this is 2 times S, okay? So just make sure you identify what the hypotenuse is, and then you should be good to go, okay? So as you start going through it, you got your 2 times S square root of 3. Another way to remember this is that, see this 3 right here? It's close to the 30. So as long as you have it close to the 30, then you should be pretty good with it, okay? So another little tidbit for you to go ahead and use. So you got S square root of 3. There's the 30 right there. And then you have 2S, okay? All right, so just be careful how you label this. I would say that these get, once you start getting used to it, then you should be pretty good with it. But just make sure you just get your reps in and check out the next video, okay? So don't get confused. Just always label it, and that's going to be the work for you to go ahead and show so you know where everything needs to go, okay? Alrighty. Okay. All right, later, y'all. Tune into the next video.